Hey everyone, welcome in today's video. And how are you doing? I'm so excited, very happy to share today's topic. Today's topic is why many are fluent speaker and why others are not. So what's the reason behind? And sorry, I'm not a fluent speaker, neither experienced teacher, but I'm improving myself, and I would like to share some important tips, some important points, what I have learned and what I am learning, and surely that will help you a lot. So let's try to understand that if you look those kind of people, they will speak fluently without framing the sentences, without remembering the word, without framing the phrases. Why it happened? Why they are speaking fluent English? What's the reason behind? Have you ever thought? Understand that they are voracious reader. First is voracious reader. Voracious reader is a good speaker. It means people who read a lot, they can speak easily. While reading, you will go through various types of sentences, various types of phrases, various types of vocabularies. Those sentences, those vocabularies, those phrases store in memories. So you can read the novel, you can read the articles, any story book, what you like the most. Second is listening. You need to be very good listener. Being a good listener means focusing on the person who is speaking. Okay, so for the listening, you can watch web series, you can listen any English news, any stories, podcast, commentary. That will help you a lot. Every good conversation start with good listening. Third is repetition of similar sentences. Repetition leads to perfection. If you repeat the sentences, what you have listened, what you have read, that will help you a lot. If you want to remember words or get more fluent, repeated practice helps. So repeat similar sentences with your friends, with your colleague, with your cousin. If there is no one, you can use mirror, you can use video recorder, or you can talk to with yourselves. That will help you a lot. Fourth is situational learning. Means you have to speak certain sentences again and again without framing grammar. You need to have bank of sentences, phrases which can help you speak fluently based on situational learning, rather than just thinking about at a particular moment. You have to follow previous points. You have to read a lot. You need to be very good listener. You have to repeat similar sentences. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching.